तो फिर हम कुछ होमवर्क के लिए क्वेश्चन लेते हैं इस कंटेंट पे, ठीक है, एडिशन रिएक्शंस पे, ठीक है। सो राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चंस फॉर होमवर्क। Number 1, that is convert the following. Convert the following. Write down first, but 2YNE to cis-but 2ENE. Okay, आपको पता है how to convert this but 2YNE into cis-but 2ENE. But 2YNE into trans-but 2ENE. Okay, then hex 3YNE into cis-hex 3ENE and hex 3YNE into trans hex 3ENE. Now if you see the conversion, you are converting YNE into what? Basically ENE. Okay, rest of, that is the chain of carbon atom, remain the same. Position of double bond, triple bond, that is also remain the same. Okay, so here what we do, only we convert alkyne to alkene, cis and trans. For to obtain the cis alkene we use the Lindlar's catalyst, and to obtain trans alkene we use sodium in liquid ammonia. Okay, so you have to write the chemical equation for this. chemical equation जब भी आप write करोगे आपको reactant का नेम लिखना है, प्रोडक्ट का नेम लिखना है और रिएजेंट एरो के ऊपर लिखना है, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वे यू कैन डू द कन्वर्जन्स, ठीक है। ओके, सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस फॉर होमवर्क। नाउ आफ्टर दैट आल्सो राइट डाउन सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज लिंडलार कैटलिस्ट? व्हाट इज लिंडलार्स कैटलिस्ट? दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। ओके, what is Lindlar's catalyst? Okay, so this is what question for you for the homework. Now next, now we will move to the next point in the alkene section, and that is physical properties of alkenes. Write down next point, that is very important, and that is physical properties of alkenes. Write down physical properties of alkenes. Physical properties of alkenes. Alkenes की physical properties. Now if you see the physical properties of alkenes, now we know the physical properties of alkenes, that alkenes are non-polar because they are hydrocarbons. Okay, so due to the less electronegativity difference between carbon and hydrogen, they are non-polar. Like that, most of the physical properties of alkenes, they are similar to the alkanes. Okay, because alkanes are also hydrocarbons, alkenes are also hydrocarbons. Difference is only that alkanes are saturated aliphatic hydrocarbons, saturated hydrocarbons, and alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Okay, so one by one you also note down these physical properties. First property, alkenes are non-polar. Now you know the reason behind it. Alkenes are non-polar. Okay, so what will be the solubility? Write down about the solubility. Write down solubility. They are insoluble in water because water is polar. Okay, they are insoluble in water. They are insoluble in water and soluble in non-polar solvent, and soluble in non-polar solvents. अब ये non-polar solvents कौन कौन से? एग्जाम्पल, In which non-polar solvent it is soluble? Write down benzene, ether, chloroform. Benzene, ether, chloroform, etc. Okay, what about the density? Now you know that they are less dense than water. Solubility के बारे में हमने देखा, they are insoluble in water, they are less dense than water. They are less dense than water. वाटर से इनकी डेंसिटी कम होती है, ठीक है. Then if you see the boiling points of alkane, what is the physical property that is boiling point? Boiling point of branched alkene, it is similar to the alkane. Boiling point of branched alkene is less than, boiling point of branched alkenes are less than straight chain alkenes. Okay, you know the difference, or you know why branched chain alkenes have low boiling point. Boiling point of branched alkenes are less than straight chain alkenes. Okay, now you know the difference. As the surface area increased, okay, the intermolecular force of attraction increases, so the molecules, they are closer to each other. Okay, and if the branched molecules are there, branched alkenes are there, so due to the repulsion you can easily separate out these molecules. Okay, so these branched alkenes are having less boiling point than straight chain alkenes. Okay, so these are what the some physical properties of alkenes. Okay, so note down these physical properties, very important they are. Also one more important point, the boiling point of, write down fifth physical property, the boiling point of alkene, write down physical property fifth लिखो. Boiling point के बारे में ये है, boiling point of alkene is very nearly the same. इसमें लिखो boiling point of alkene is nearly the same as that of alkane. Okay, boiling point of alkene is nearly the same as that of the alkane with same carbon skeleton. With same carbon skeleton. Carbon skeleton. इसका मतलब क्या है, देखो ये पॉइंट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ अल्कीन इज नियरली द सेम, नियरली सेम आता है बॉइलिंग पॉइंट अल्केन के साथ. क्यों? उसका रीजन है इफ दे हैव सेम कार्बन स्केलेटन, कार्बन स्केलेटन सेम है. समझो मेरे पास एक 4 कार्बन का अल्केन, दैट इज ब्यूटेन, ठीक है, और ब्यूट 1 इन है, ब्यूट 2 इन है. So but 2 in, but 1 in, they also contain 4 carbon atoms, straight chain. Okay, this alkene is straight chain, and butane, it also contains 4 carbon skeleton. Okay, skeleton of 4 carbon, chain of 4 carbon atoms, and but 2 in, but 1 in also contains chain of 4 carbon atoms. So their carbon skeleton is same, and due to that their boiling points are also near about. Okay, so this point you also remember. So these are what we have discussed, the physical properties of what alkenes. ठीक है, तो ये physical properties आपको याद रखनी है क्योंकि इस पे आपको MCQ क्वेश्चन आ सकते हैं दोस्तों. Okay, so these physical properties are very important. So take down the homework question for regarding to this physical properties of alkenes. Write down homework question. So 2 questions you have taken already. Now the third question, take third question for the homework. Third question. Write down 4 physical properties. Write down 4 physical properties of alkenes. Okay, question 4. Write down MCQ type question. Alkenes are in benzene. Okay, option A insoluble, option B soluble, option C both A and B, option D none. You know the nature of alkenes and benzene. Benzene is a non-polar compound because it is also hydrocarbon. Benzene का आपको स्ट्रक्चर पता है? बेंजीन का ये स्ट्रक्चर है, देखो इसमें कार्बन कार्बन अल्टरनेट सिंगल डबल बॉन्ड है, ठीक है, और ये हाइड्रोकार्बन है, एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन. अल्कीन्स आर अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स एंड बेंजीन इज व्हाट? एरोमेटिक हाइड्रोकार्बन. सो द नेचर इज बेसिकली सेम. So like dissolves like. So what will be the answer? You can write the correct answer for it. Okay. So these are the questions for you for the homework. Hope you understood these methods of preparation of alkenes and physical properties of alkenes. Okay. So for the chemical properties, we'll meet in the next lecture.